Make a great choice today with
The 2018 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, Sirius satellite radio, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.